If you want to remove your facial acne in a photo, just watch this short video. But before showing you how to change this photo to this one, please subscribe in your channel and hit the notification bell. That would mean a lot to me. The app you need to install is called SnapSpeed. Open the app and tap on plus sign. Now choose your photo from the gallery and select Tools. Now choose Healing to get rid of acne on your face. Zoom a little bit on your face and touch the acne you want to remove. We still have one more step to soften your face. Tap on Portrait and then Smooth to see the magic. After you choose the Smooth, you need to swipe your finger from left to right side of your photo. Now you can see the effect.